Probably.
He just put it on the ground.
80s Michael Jackson versus like 90s Michael Jackson.
Exactly. 2000s Michael.
Yeah. What do I feel like Michael Jackson knows how to, well, he knew like to actually fight, like he probably knew karate and everything.
Right? Because
Yeah.
he's always kicking on his like, stage.
Oh, I remember this.
But which one is the real Michael Jackson?
To be safe, you must shoot us both.
Oh, that must be the real one.
I guess that's an acquittal. Oh, damn it! Years of planning ruined! How are we gonna take over the world with a white Michael Jackson anyway?